Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into this video where I'll be unboxing this beautiful Samsung Canister Vacuum. But first, a little tribute to my old Dirt Devil. This Dirt Devil Featherlight served me well for the past almost 14 years. This small, compact, yet powerful vacuum was great for my 42 square meter apartment. However, it was time for a new vacuum and wanted one that was just as compact, but didn't use any bags. And I happened upon the Samsung when I was out wandering through one of our electronics stores in downtown Vancouver. And I'll be honest, I had no idea that Samsung made vacuums. When I got back home, did some quick research on it, and the next day, went back for it. Let's unbox the Samsung VC3100 Canister Vacuum, and let's see what we've got. So this is the two-step brush for floors and carpets. Got the pipe, and it's actually made out of metal. It's not plastic, which is really nice. Of course, it comes with a user manual. This is the 2-in-1 accessory. It's got the brush and it's also the crevice tool, as well as the vacuum hose. And this is the vacuum itself. Let's go ahead and unwrap the vacuum from its protective material. And here's the moment where you pull that protective film off of your electronic device. It's such a great feeling sometimes. Here's a look at all the items that come with the Samsung VC31 vacuum. We have the vacuum, the two-step brush for floors and carpets, the pipe, the vacuum hose, and the 2-in-1 accessory with the brush and crevice tool and the user manual. Now before we get down to using it and a quick review, let's take a close-up look at this sleek and beautiful vacuum. You can adjust the amount of suction on the VC3100. Check this out. I think the motor kind of sounds a little bit like a jet engine. Overall, the suction from this vacuum is strong, especially at max. The two-step brush and carpet mode suctions itself to the floor. In my case, I have hardwood floors in my place. I'm not sure how it would perform on carpet as I don't have any carpeting in my flat. In floor mode, where it's slightly raised, the two-step brush has a little bit of trouble with large items, possibly because of the guards that extend downwards. In this test footage, we were just playing around with a large amount of confetti on the floor, seeing how it would perform, and as you can see, the confetti is getting pushed along. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this canister vacuum has performed in the short time I've been using it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing of the Samsung VC3100 Canister Vacuum. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please consider sharing it, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.